result, paulit-ulit na po natin nakikita po yan sa lahat ng mga surveys. Ang prioridad po na gusto ng Pilipino na tuunan ng pansin ng gobyerno ay yung taas ng presyo, yung ekonomiya. Pangalawa po, yung corruption. Pangatlo, yung krimen. Tulad kanina, Pulse Asia, nagbasa po tayo ng ulat ng Pulse Asia. Ngayon po, Publicus po, yung kay Malutikiyang polling group, may ulat po sila sa latest na survey po nila. And the headline report ng Manila Times, headline po is, Marcos needs to prioritize the Philippine economy according to the Publicus survey. Before I read the main highlight that I want to stress, I'll go to the yellow part, sa baba, Ka Joshua. Most Filipinos believe that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. should focus on the Philippine economy with inflation as the most pressing issue, according to the latest Publicus Asia Incorporated. Now, with this result, paulit-ulit na po natin nakikita po yan sa lahat ng mga surveys. Ang prioridad po na gusto ng Pilipino na tuunan ng pansin ng gobyerno ay yung taas ng presyo, yung ekonomiya. Pangalawa po, yung corruption. Pangatlo, yung krimen. In its non-commissioned pahayag second quarter 2024 survey, Publicus Asia said that key macro and micro issues have emerged as top priorities for Filipino citizens. Despite varying approval ratings, Publicus Asia said that addressing inflation, 18%, remains paramount for the Marcos administration, alongside efforts to strengthen the Philippine economy, 15% naman, and combat corruption in government agencies, 14%. So 18 plus 15 is 23, 33 plus 14% is 47%. Now, in relation to the issues of geopolitics at foreign relations, diplomacia, West South China Sea, let's scroll up again dun sa blue part, Ka Joshua. The majority of Filipinos, 53%, advocate for neutrality amidst global powers, particularly the US and China. So, neutrality po ang nangingibabaw na kagustuhan po ng Pilipino. This is an important finding kasi alam naman natin, Inquirer, Philippine Star, GMA7, ANC, ABS-CBN, TV5 po, lahat ng mga news na kontrolado po ng mga oligarchs, nagtutulak po ng naratibo na gusto ng maraming Pilipino, 70%, 73%, 92%, na awayin ng China, dito po, I think is a more objective, non-passionate, non-partisan result. Ka Joshua, Kaado, go ahead.
Sabi ito, merong update ng Pulse Asia. Dito lamang June 17 to 24.
Okay.
Ang 72% ang controlling inflation. And the rest are still economic, increasing the pay of workers 44, reducing poverty of Filipinos 32, creating more jobs 30, addressing the problem of involuntary hunger 20, providing assistance to farmers 13. Samantalang, itong defending the integrity of the Philippine territory against foreigners, umakyat na ito sa 9, bagsak na naman sa 5. Ayan, Kamentong.
Yeah, padala mo yung link na yan, hindi ko nakita yung survey na yan.
So we have a 5% president lang ngayon. Itong si Bongbong Marcos is only defending the so-called integrity of the Philippine territory against foreigners. 5% president. While most of the country is crying out for economic reforms, economic improvement. Palibasa, sausaw ng sausaw sa Grabe ang yaman eh. Yung sarili niyang yaman, yung nakatagong yaman ng tatay niya, yung bagong yaman ng asawa niya, ha? Wala na siyang naiintindihan eh. Bakit, Mr. President, one day you devote yourself just going around Metro Manila sa iyong kotse. At pag hindi ka nakatok ng pulubi, ha? Habang ikaw ay nakatigil sa isang intersection, maswerte ka. Comment.
Okay. Na-post na ni Ka Joshua yung Pulse Asia survey June 17 to 24, 2024. Okay. Andiyan po yung sinasalaysay po ni Ka Ado, ano? Okay, preparing to face any kind of terrorism and defending the integrity of Philippine territory against foreigners, 5% na lang po. Bumaba pa po. So I think ito yung backlash na rin po doon sa mga propaganda laban sa kay Duterte at independent foreign policy and so on. So ayan po, yan ang totoong sentimento po ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Ang problema po, hindi po nagre-responde si BBM at ang administrasyon niya. Patuloy po ang kanilang pamumuhay sa layaw. Hindi ba maraming mga nagpo-post po na mga celebrations pa din nila, mga party po nila. We don't really focus on those things but kami nagpapasalamat dun sa ibang mga iba na nagtatalakay po niyang luho po ng administrasyon ni BBM. Okay. So ayan po ang sentimento ng taong bayan.